You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? If you're talking about the city in Australia, it's said as Brisbane. Definitely in Australia, the Australians say it as Brisbane. Now, there might be other cities around the world that are named the same way and might be said Brisbane. In those cases, let us know in the comments if you know anyone that says Brisbane actually, but in Australia, Brisbane. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.